Hello everybody, Decentralized Dave is back with another weekly update on YouTube. We have a lot to cover, so let's start right away, and let's start with Bitcoin this time. So on the screen you can see weekly chart of Bitcoin. This is 2022 and this is the current time, 2026. And you can already see what I want to talk about. I do want to talk about these trend lines that we had in these two bear markets. This is the initiation point, that's the second touch point, and then we failed once to break that trend line. But we did fail, and that we go above the trend line, but that was a very short-lived, and then we had the cycle bottom, guys. And then we spent on the bottom couple of months, actually like 2 months, maybe a little bit more, and that was it. The bear market was over, just like that. And this is exactly what can happen this time. We can fail now, go above this trend line later this month maybe, or in May, I don't know. And then actually look, we even retested the trend line back, and we can retest it back somewhere here, or actually it should be June. I don't even think it's going to be July. I think we will bottom out really early. I think this will be very surprising. So like, mark this into your chart, mark this trend line right away. That's your homework for today. Mark it to your chart. Wait until we get back above, until we get above it on weekly, and then when we crash and when we undertake, this is also very important. If we undertake this 60,000 bottom and go on the trend line, we are at the bottom, and I believe the best buys of Bitcoin are here. And around that time, of course, it's going to be also the best times to buy the altcoins, although they will probably vary from one coin to coin, so it's going to be much more difficult. For S&P 500, so I have made recently this technical case on X, how we could literally go now into the new all-time highs. And this technical case is nothing else than just the 2022, you know. And I've measured this up move until the July 24, this small correction, and then the basically blow off top, and then we had the 2025 correction. So I basically copied that, and I got the measurement 7K, 6.4K ish, 7.5K, and then 6.1K. The timing, of course, doesn't match at all. And if we would like bring the timing like on the top of the 7K, then we should basically still this year, we should go and undercut this 6.3K, and we should go at the very least to 6.15K, 6,150, and if not lower. There is this, I also made another case in another video, there is this giant gap, and look at this trend line, and look at the timing points to October, and look at this trend line that was always the best support. This is the trend line coming from the COVID. Look at that. And so we may even go to the trend line, guys, and that would be 5.7K, and that's the bottom if that happens. However, this would be a little bit bigger correction from if we maintain, but it's still less than 20%. It's still at 20%. If we do make a new all-time highs and then go here, it's 24%. So it would be definitely more severe. Point being, even if we make the new all-time highs this year, we still will have another crash later this year, and which will arguably be bigger than the one we've just had in March. That was 10%. We are due to have a bigger one later this year. And based on that as well, I keep looking for shorts this year. I still keep doing that. And my newest idea, you can always find my setups, my trade setups. I share them on X. And my newest one is about shorting Taiwan and semiconductors. I have not yet initiated that, but I am going to. It looks like we're making new all-time highs today, so it's coming soon for me to start. As you can see, I gave here like 5 arguments, some technical, some fundamental, why I believe this will work out.